Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished viewers, and esteemed learners. Today, we embark on an immersive and enlightening journey into the realm of online optimization through a practical tutorial on leveraging the COFNet Bug Host website for enhanced browsing experiences. This educational discourse is meticulously crafted to empower you with the knowledge and practical steps required to elevate your online interactions and prioritize digital security and efficiency. As we delve into the practical steps outlined, each moment presents an opportunity for growth and empowerment in the digital landscape. Let us navigate through the intricacies of optimizing your browsing experience with precision and insight. Commencing with the first step, open your preferred web browser, symbolizing the gateway to a world of digital possibilities. The search begins with a simple query, COFNet Bug Host, directing you towards a specialized website designed to enhance your online connectivity and privacy. Upon accessing the website, the journey unfolds as you navigate through the interface, guided by a meticulous eye for detail and a commitment to leveraging technology for a secure and seamless digital experience. The pivotal moment arrives as you pause to select your country, exemplifying the importance of personalization and geographic relevance in your browsing journey. Navigating through a plethora of countries and selecting your own with intention and care, you embark on a journey of tailored digital exploration, each choice shaping your unique browsing experience. The Generate option signals a moment of anticipation, as the website processes your request to unveil your country's host or SNI, a digital key to enhanced connectivity. As the website unveils a list of hosts, each with its potential for optimized browsing, the power of choice rests in your hands. Selecting one that resonates with your needs, you arm yourself with the tools for a secure and efficient online experience. Transitioning to the verification stage, you embark on the evaluation of your chosen host's functionality. Navigating to a host check website, each click and input mark a step towards ensuring secure online interactions and heightened digital security. As the final clicks confirm the operational status of the host, revelations unfold. A working host signifies a realm of secure connectivity, while an invalid status prompts further exploration and evaluation. In conclusion, this tutorial epitomizes a commitment to online security, enhanced browsing experiences, and a quest for continuous learning in the digital age. Your engagement with the content is paramount. Subscribe for enriched insights, like this video to show your support, and leave thoughtful comments for a collaborative learning experience. Thank you for joining us on this educational odyssey towards optimized online experiences. Let's continue to prioritize digital security, efficiency, and empowerment as we navigate the digital landscape together.